Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel nobbhabna. Today I am going to share a beautiful and creative wood sign idea that can make your home look more stylish and unique. It is very simple but eye-catching decoration. It adds a warm and cozy feeling in your home and make the shape look more personal and aesthetic. You can create a wood sign with a welcome message, your name, or any meaningful quotes. It looks perfect at the entrance, living room, or even for special occasion like birthday or small celebration. You can also play with different style like minimal, modern design, rustic, etc. Adding soft color, texture or simple pattern can make the sign look more attractive and elegant. Decorating the wood sign with small element like flower, leaves, other design can enhance the beauty and make it stand out. If you like this idea, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Follow for more.